Hi boys and girls, this week we're going to be practicing number bonds. So number bonds are just different ways to make a number, and we just have to find the missing part. So we're going to start with a couple of easy ones, and then as we go through the week it's going to get a little bit harder, and I want to see if you are able to do it on your own. So for the first one, anytime we have a number bond, the number that's by itself is going to be the biggest number. So if you have two numbers that are partners, those two numbers have to equal the biggest number. So one way to find out is to subtract. So if I have two dots and I have one on this side, I'm going to cross one off, and how many does that leave? It leaves one. So that's the missing part. So the next number is 8. 8 is a little bit bigger of a number. So let's draw 8 dots on top. There's 8 dots. Now we're going to cross off 3 of them because 3 is one of the parts. How many dots does that leave us? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the missing part is 5. On number 3, the biggest number is 4. So let's draw 4 dots. Now we're going to cross off 3 of them. How many dots does that leave? Just 1. So that's the missing part. On the next one, we have a 3 and a 7 are the parts, but we don't know what the whole is. So all we're going to do is add 3 and 7. So if I add 3 and 7, that seems to me that that's a strategy that we've talked a lot about. That is 10. So the whole is 10. So on number 5, we have the whole as 10, and one of our parts is 8. So what is 8's 10 friend? It's 2. So the answer is 2. And on number 6, we're going to add 4 and 2 to equal our whole. So start on 4 and count up 2. 4, 5, 6. So what's the missing number? 6. Very good. So we have number bonds on the back. They're just shaped a little bit differently. Instead of rainbows, we have ice cream cones. But still, no matter what side the whole is on, the whole is by itself and the parts are together. So the first one is 5. So let's draw 5 dots. And one of my parts is 3, so I'm going to cross off 3. How many dots are left? 2. That means my whole is 2. On the next ice cream cone, 7 is my whole. So how many dots are we going to draw? 7. One of my parts is 4. So let's cross off 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many are left? 3. Good. The next ice cream cone has 9 as the whole. So let's draw 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One of my parts is 6, so we cross off 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are left? 3. Very good. Okay, number 4. I remember on the other side we had 2 as a whole with 1 as a part. And do you remember what the other one is? It's 1. Very good. See, we don't have to do that one again because we've already done it. On number 5, the whole is 3. So let's draw 3. And we're going to cross off 1. How many does that leave? 2. And on the last one, our whole is missing. So what do we do with 8 and 2? We add them together. 8 and 2 are 10 friends. So what is the whole going to be? 10. Good job, boys and girls. Please make sure your name is at the top and turn it into the basket.